This lesson will describe how to enter data for the National Fleet. From the main menu, click on the National Fleet button, and this will display the list of National Fleet vessels for your country. To enter a new record, click on the New Entry button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the National Fleet Registration Details form. The form has 3 panels containing details, licensing information, and registration information. We will start by entering the details for the vessel. First, we select the vessel that we wish to add to the National Fleet. For our example, we'll select the vessel GYPAETE. If we want to check that we've got the correct vessel, we can click on the View Edit button. The registration number is a numeric identifier of the registration. It is found in the vessel details. In our example, the registration number for the GYPAETE is 321654. The date from is the date from which the vessel was part of the National Fleet, while the date to is the date to which the vessel will be part of the National Fleet. We will set these dates from the 1st of January 2009 through to the 31st of December 2010, indicating that the vessel will remain in the National Fleet for 2 years. To indicate that the vessel is currently part of the National Fleet, the Current box is ticked. The authorization number can be used at your country's discretion. Next, we select the appropriate company or agent from the drop-down menu. In our case, we select Canamera International Tuna and tab through to the next field. If required, the fishing zones and authorised ports can be specified, and there is space for any further comments with regards to this vessel. We can also identify whether the vessel has been chartered to fish in the National Fleet, and in our case we'll tick for yes. Lastly, in the details section, we can set a subfleet code. This is useful when we want to distinguish between vessels in the National Fleet that are primarily offshore or in distant waters versus purely local EEZ vessels. Next, we'll enter the licenses held by the vessel. For our example, the country is the Marshall Islands. And we'll tab to select that and go to the next field, which is the license number. In this case, the license number we'll put in is MH09-KIT00999S-02, and tab to the start date. For the start date for that license is the 1st of January 2009, and tab to the end date of that license, which is 31st of December 2009. And if we tab further, we can add some comments if we wish to. Okay, that'll do for this entry. So to save and close the form, we click on the Close Form button at the bottom of the screen, which returns us to the National Fleet listing. And here we can see our new record has been entered. That concludes this lesson.